Everybody, look at all the birds. Just, you probably can't see it, but why so many? They're little. They look like a bunch of sparrows. This is our first snowstorm here. Isn't that gorgeous though? For real. Rolling hills. I love it. Can't really see the mountains, but it's gorgeous, y'all. It's like a picture. A modern day picture. I would say an old time picture, but you know, the satellite kind of takes away from that. That's funny. There's, look at all the birds.
Well,
like
that's old time too, because they don't even use that kind anymore.
There's like over a couple hundred birds in the sky. Wow, like why so many? That's crazy. Look at all those birds. Like there was a whole bunch earlier too. Like what is that? Like freaking 1,000 birds? I never seen anything like that, so I got that like awe about it. It's just, they're never ending. Are they going in circles or something? Oh, that one stumbled in the air. Wow. It reminds me of that movie, The Birds. That's crazy. I can't wait till we find our own land up in these mountains. It's going to be exciting. Then the videos are going to be great. It will. It really will.
Hi, buddy. You good boy.
Buddy wants to go outside. Well, gotta take our puppy for a walk.